Hello and welcome to our channel Financial Hub. If you're looking to send or receive international payments through Commonwealth Bank, you will need the correct SWIFT code. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to find it using a simple online search. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to your search engine. In the search bar, type Commonwealth Bank SWIFT code. And hit search. Now look through the search results for links from official sources. For example, Combank's official website provides accurate and up-to-date information. For a Commonwealth Bank in Australia, let me follow WISE. For Commonwealth Bank in Australia, the SWIFT code typically looks like this. Always ensure that the SWIFT code matches the specific branch or service you are using. If you're uncertain about the correct SWIFT code, it's a good idea to contact Combank's customer service or check your bank statements, where the SWIFT code is often listed. And that's it. You now know how to find the SWIFT code for Commonwealth Bank of Australia quickly and easily. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more helpful banking and finance tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.